A very warm welcome तुम्हा सर्वांचं आजच्या करिअर गायडन्स अँड एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल वर्कशॉप मध्ये. इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी, which language would you prefer?
For me, anything is fine.
Yes, ma'am, sure. What about the students? English, Hindi? English, Hindi. English. All right, great. So, when we talk about career, I would first of all like to ask you to applaud for yourself. Karan, this is the first step that you have taken seriously to think about your career, and you have come and been a part of this workshop. We have since childhood thought about what we want to do when we grow up. तर लहानपणी आपण काय करायचो, आपल्याला फक्त इंजिनियर आणि डॉक्टर बद्दल माहिती होती. So every one of us wanted to become either engineer or doctor. The others wanted to become teacher. But as and how we started growing, we started realizing there are so many other opportunities as well. We started going to the banks. We understood that there are banking jobs. We went to government organization. We understood there are so many government jobs as well. And as and how we started getting exposed to our surroundings and situation, we realized that there are so many opportunities that we can have. And what we are doing today is uh, taking you a step further towards understanding a little more, giving you any kind of support that you require in terms of guidance. So I would like to share my screen. I think I'm doing it. Yeah. Give me a second. I'll just reshare my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Thank you. My name is Mrs. Shubhra Naik, and I'll be just giving you a little talk on employability skills and career planning. So while we are at a juncture where we are wanting to understand what is career and what are we supposed to be doing, there are so many people telling us so many things, right? तर हा जो प्रोजेक्ट आहे ना, तो it's brought to you by American India Foundation. They are into social and economic development and change in India, and it works towards livelihood and employment generation, right? And this project is in association with Dell Technologies. And while we are talking about career planning, as I told you, while we were a child, we didn't know much about it. But what we did was we had certain interest. आपल्याकडे काहीतरी दिशा होती की मला I like doing maths, or I am interested in science, or I like businesses. Okay, I like making money or multiplying the money that has been made. So आपल्यामध्ये जे स्ट्रेंथ विकनेसेस आहेत ना, ते आपण अगर अगर आधी ओळखलेला नाहीये, तर now is the time to identify them. Identify the trait that makes you special. Identify the trait that your strengths, right? You need to be ambitious. काहीतरी एम असायला पाहिजे तुमच्याकडे, तुमचं गोल अचीव करायला काहीतरी करिअर पाथ तुम्ही ठरवलेला असावं. सो दॅट इज अबाउट knowing yourself. And एंड हम बचपन से ही हमारे बारे में जानने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन सर्कमस्टांसेस से हम ग्रो होते हैं. जब हम नए स्कूल से कॉलेजेस जाते हैं, हम नई चीजें सीखते हैं, हम नई चीजें जानते हैं अपने बारे में, अपने आसपास के बारे में, और हम अपनी जो वैल्यूज है उसके बेसिस पे अपने रोज की जो जिंदगी है, अपने एम एम्बिशंस है, वो सब डेवलप करते हैं. So while we are doing this, we need to explore various options. हमारे पास बहुत options है, as we are in a very developing nation, and the opportunities are growing. ओके, वी जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा क्या इंटरेस्ट है और उसको हम कैसे अलाइन कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ। आप सब लोग यूट्यूब देखते हो? इंस्टाग्राम पे हो, यूट्यूब देखते हो? आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव नॉट चेक्ड द चैट। यस, सो यू ऑल आर ऑन यूट्यूब, ओके। एंड यूट्यूब में हमारे पास इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होते हैं, राइट? जो स्टार्टिंग में अगर आप उनके फर्स्ट या सेकंड वीडियो देखो ना, उन्होंने अपने शौक शौक में किए थे कि कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है लाइफ में, तो चलो मेरे को एक वीडियो बनाना है। वीडियो बना के डाल दिया, शायद वो वायरल हो गया। Okay, thousands of people have seen it, and then they have started making more and more videos, more and more frequent videos, and those videos were liked and appreciated, and people started subscribing to those YouTube channels. अभी तो कितने लोगों के पास आई थिंक सिल्वर प्ले बटन और डायमंड प्ले बटन भी आया है। They started off just as a passion, something that they are creative in. So it may be dancing, singing, jokes, or humor, or something serious as reviewing automobiles or mobile phones or any other thing. Now they have grown so much that they have an entire team. They have a team who thinks creatively. So conceptualization होता है उनके पास, dialogue के लिए लोग रहते हैं. They have people hired to plan their finances. They have people hired for taking care of their day-to-day management and schedules. They have an entire team. Who thought of, while growing up, I will write in my resume that what is your career objective? I want to become a YouTube influencer. That wasn't even a job earlier. Okay, I want to be a creative writer for a YouTube or Instagrammer. ऐसा कुछ जॉब था भी नहीं. I want to take care of finances for a YouTuber or an Instagrammer. That was never even in the pipeline, right? So you need to understand that the industry trends keep on changing, and you need to identify them. You need to do a proper research and see where you fit. You all are from banking and insurances and finance segment. Accountancy is something that is your forte. आपको एक accountancy firm में अगर नहीं काम करना है, you can work in so many other areas. Look for where do you fit in. Okay, look for different kind of certification that you can acquire while you're doing your major studies. Take decisions now, get focused. If you're in your earlier years of degree, you still have 2 years. अगर आप टीवाई में हो तो डेफिनेटली आपके पास बहुत कम समय है बहुत ज्यादा सोचने के लिए, राइट? सो यू कैन हैव वेरियस ऑप्शन. देयर आर सो मेनी सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम्स दैट आर अवेलेबल. शॉर्ट टर्म वाले हैं, एकदम पर्टिकुलर स्किल या पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट के ऊपर है, तो आप वो आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए और वो आप एड ऑन या अपस्किलिंग जैसे हम कहते हैं, start doing that, because now you have at least the time and energy and people around you who could support you. Once you get into jobs, it becomes very difficult to um, take up skills. Okay, it's not impossible, but yeah, you will be more occupied doing things. You have lot of targets, you have lot of pre engagements there. So you may not be able to devote time for self growth as much as you can do it right now, because you have the time and you have the inclination. So goal set कीजिए. Okay, action plan develop कीजिए. आप में से कितने लोग I think I don't know if I've spoken about this, but you all are on Instagram and YouTube, right? आप Instagram या YouTube पे हो, right? आप में से कितने लोगों ने LinkedIn सुना है या LinkedIn के ऊपर आपने आपका अकाउंट या प्रोफाइल बनाया है? ठीक है, LinkedIn प्रोफाइल है? Okay, no is the answer that I'm getting from everybody. ठीक है, मैं ना लिंक्डइन को प्रमोट नहीं कर रही हूँ, ना फेसबुक या यूट्यूब और एनी अदर सोशल मीडिया साइट्स, ओके? जैसे हम सोशल मीडिया साइट्स में क्या करते हैं, हमारे जान पहचान के लोगों को फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं, राइट, टू कनेक्ट विद देम. सो प्रोबेबली आवर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स या फिर हमारे जो आस पड़ोस के लोग हैं, उनको हम रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं जो कनेक्ट के लिए होता है, वो सोशली होता है. लिंक्डइन जो है ना, ये प्रोफेशनल कनेक्ट के लिए होता है. ओके, आप ना एक फेसबुक पर्सन को जो आपको पहचान में नहीं, आप उनको फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजो, आपको रिक्वेस्ट डिनाइड होगा. बट लिंक्डइन में ना यू ट्राई टू ग्रो नेटवर्क. Okay, you first make your ID, you make your profile, build your profile. आपके skills क्या है, आप क्या सीख रहे हो. अगर आपने वेबिनार, आज का वेबिनार अटेंड किया, उसके बारे में डालिए. ओके, आप जब भी सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स करते हो, वो आप लिंक्डइन पे डालिए. आपका ना लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. उसके बाद जब आप जॉब के लिए जाते हो ना, दीज डेज पीपल डोंट चेक योर, इफ दे वांट टू चेक योर बैकग्राउंड, दे चेक ऑन लिंक्डइन. दे चेक कि ये बंदा क्या है, क्या करता है, फ्री टाइम में क्या करता है, उसके कनेक्ट नेटवर्क किसके किसके साथ है, स्कूल कहाँ पे गया था, कॉलेज क्या किया था. दैट इज व्हाट दे चेक, बिकॉज दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन योर प्रोफेशनल बीइंग एंड सोशल बीइंग एज वेल. राइट. सो अगर आपने लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल नहीं बनाया है, आई वुड वांट यू टू मेक अ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. अ डिस्क्लेमर, आई एम नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद लिंक्डइन, आई एम एसोसिएटेड विद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई. ओके, सो ट्राई टू बी ऑन लिंक्डइन. वहां पे आपको ना आपके फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर्स मिलेंगे. सीईओ से लेके एचआर से लेके मार्केटिंग से लेके सारे जने लिंक्डइन पे होते हैं. राइट. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल, start connecting with CEOs, VPs, assistant managers of different organizations. You never know how they might come in handy when you are looking for a job or when they are looking for hiring process. So as much as possible, try to learn and gain experiences. This is the time where you can explore. This is the time where you can go ahead and do various things. So that would be one of my suggestions. um, I believe you have been told about the career mentoring test, a psychometric test. आजकल जब भी इंटरव्यूज होता है ना, तो एक पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड टेस्टिंग हमेशा करते हैं. उनको देखना होता है कि आपका टेम्परामेंट कैसा है, आप चीजों को कैसे हैंडल करते हो. अब देखें ना बैंकिंग सेगमेंट में, यू नो, बी इट फॉर क्रेडिट लोन्स या फिर डेबिट कार्ड्स, you are interacting with senior citizen who totally don't understand anything in terms of technology. You're supposed to be dealing with a lot of people. How is your personality? Is it something that works with the businesses, whether it's not? अगर आपका एक तरफ झुकाव है, आपका इंटरेस्ट एक तरफ है, and if you want to build your strengths, you know what your strengths are, you know what your weaknesses. क्योंकि अगर आप देखिए इंटरव्यूज में हमेशा ही क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस के बारे में. राइट. So you would be able to, like, this career mentoring test, the test will be about your interest and personality. There is no right or wrong answer here. ठीक है. And while you take the test, you will get a report which is generated, and it will tell you about your inclinations. तो आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं है, आपके क्या स्ट्रॉन्गर पॉइंट्स है, क्या नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स है. तो उस हिसाब से आपके पर्सनालिटी में आप एडवांसमेंट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. उसके अलावा हम आपको, while I was talking to you about skill building, आपने चीजें ऐड ऑन करनी चाहिए. तो स्वयं एक पोर्टल है जहाँ पे आप सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज कर सकते हो आपके क्षेत्र में. ऑन द कॉन्ट्री, आई वुड नॉट से जस्ट इन आपके क्षेत्र. अगर आप देखिए आजकल कोडिंग, ओके, कोडिंग स्कूल बच्चों को भी सिखाना चाहिए करके एड्स आ रहे हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर टीचिंग कोडिंग फॉर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. ओके. आपको भी शायद कोडिंग की जरूरत पड़ सकती है क्योंकि आप बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस सेगमेंट में हो. तो अभी जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन जब 5 साल के बाद आप मैनेजर बनो, तब आपके पास वक्त रहेगा क्या बैठ के कोडिंग सीखने के लिए. तो अभी जितना मौका है, अभी जितने आपके पास स्किल अक्यूमुलेट करने की चांसेस है, उतने शायद आपको बाद में नहीं हो सकते. बाद में आपके पास इंटरेस्ट रहेगा लेकिन टाइम नहीं रहेगा. राइट. सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स सर्टिफिकेट गैदरिंग जो आपको यूजफुल रहे, आपके रेज्यूमे में और सीवी में वो हाईलाइट कर सके. One such is been offered to you by American India Foundation in terms of essential employability skill for Indian youth. ये 5 घंटे का मॉड्यूल है जिसमें आपको सर्टेन स्किल्स जैसे कि कंज्यूमर के साथ मैनेज हैंडल कैसे करते, कम्युनिकेशन कैसे करना है, डिजिटल लिटरेसी के बारे में, ऐसे सब आपको मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं जो आप कंप्लीट करने के बाद सर्टिफिकेट पा सकते हो. दिस इज फ्रॉम नेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन. आई बिलीव यू नो अबाउट NSDC, राइट? NSDC के बारे में आपको पता है? यस, वेरी गुड जितेश. Yes. I Shailesh, it is linked in. Okay. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू अ कूपन कोड. आप आज वर्कशॉप में आए हो, आपको ई सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. उसके साथ आपको ये साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट का भी लिंक दिया जाएगा और आपको ये जो ई स्किल पोर्टल है उसमें जाने के लिए आपको कूपन कोड दिया जाएगा. यू कैन यूज द कूपन कोड एंड यू कैन take up the certification. Okay, it is from National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC. Every sector has a skill development corporation, and this is on eSkill platform. So they have an eSkill platform where you can take this program and course. um yes, I believe. So क्या आपको स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है? शैलेश, नो, इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर जॉब एप्लीकेशन. लिंक्डइन पे ना आपको न्यूज इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है, आप पीपल के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में नया क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता रहेगा. बहुत सारे लोग हायरिंग प्रोसेसेस है या जॉब वैकेंसी है उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो कि आई एम open for jobs and please if there is any vacancy let me know, even that can be connected. So LinkedIn is about jobs, everything related to job networking. आपको अभी जॉब की जरूरत नहीं है लेकिन आपको 2 साल में जॉब की जरूरत पड़ सकती है, राइट? सो LinkedIn is about employability related apps, like how you have social networking, this is business networking app. Yeah. What do you see in this image? I shall clear the anointment. Yeah. Requesting you to not draw on the screen, it's kind of distracting. आपको ब्रिज दिखाई दे रहा है? हाफ ब्रिज, जितेश कह रहे हाफ ब्रिज. हाफ ब्रिज क्या होता है? So why do we build bridges? What is the need to build bridge? हम क्यों ब्रिज बांधते हैं? कुछ कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल है या कुछ रास्ता साफ नहीं है, या वैली है, या फिर to क्रॉस ओवर, isn't it? कार टेम्पो जाने के लिए ब्रिज बनाते हैं, ओके, क्रॉस करने के लिए, इजी क्रॉसिंग के लिए है. ब्रिज टू गैप बिटवीन प्लेसेस, यस. तो अगर कभी भी ना स्मूथ रास्ता होता तो हम ब्रिज नहीं बनाते हैं. स्मूथ रास्ता है भाई. या सो generally we build bridges whenever there is something that is not so smooth, okay, to cross over an obstacle like valley, rivers, any other smaller water body. So in this image as well, uh, what we see here is there is a bridge but the river is flowing from somewhere else. तुम्हें क्या लगता है ये फोटोशॉप है या कुछ इंजीनियरिंग में गलती हो गई? नहीं, गलती नहीं है तो क्या है? Yes. So Gaurav said it right. This bridge was made to cross the river, but that river changed its path. Very good. Okay. So this is not a engineering faux pas. It is not something that is gone wrong. It was proper built over a river to cross across the river. ये ना river जो है, ये river Choluteca है. It's in Honduras. It is in South America. ठीक है. और साउथ अमेरिका में ये जो कंट्री है ना हॉन्ड्यूरस, उसमें बहुत सारे हरिकेन्स आते हैं, स्टॉर्मी रेन्स आते हैं, और एक ऐसा स्टॉर्मी रेन में ना the entire course of the river only changed. What do we understand from it? What do you understand when we say that okay, the river actually changed its course? प्लान बिफोर डूइंग. सी एनवायरमेंट के ऊपर कहाँ हमारा जोर होता है. अभी देखो पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, क्या आपको पता था कुछ ऐसा लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन होने वाला था? No, environment takes its own, you know, forget about natural environment. Our business environment are so changing. You have policies changed. You just had the budget declared a couple of days before. Okay, so you see that there are so many changes that keep happening, and that is the only thing constant. नेचर इतना चेंज कर सकता है, तो अपने बिजनेसेस कितने चेंज होते हैं. सो दिस ब्रिज इज लाइक अ फाउंडेशन. ओके, दिस इज योर बेस. Things keep changing across and around it. What we need to do is we need to cross over the bridge. Extension बना देते हैं, ठीक है, जिससे हम क्रॉस कर पाए. तो ये जो बेसलेस, ये जो टोटली यूजलेस ब्रिज था, उसको अगर हमें यूजफुल बनाना है तो आप ब्रिज करो. अभी तो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो आप रेलेवेंट हो. आपको जो पढ़ाया जाता है वो लेटेस्ट होता है. क्या 10 साल के बाद भी आपको जो पढ़ाया है वही लेटेस्ट होने वाला है? वही आप बोलोगे कि मुझे इतना ही पता है, मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं करूंगा, इससे ज्यादा नहीं सीखूंगा. Yes. So as we have had Rajiv saying that nothing is constant. Change is the only constant. What we need to do is we need to adapt to the change. We need to bring about changes so that we can keep pace with the time, isn't it? Right? So what we need to do is we can't change environment. We can change ourselves. So it is not just about surviving. It is about making it to becoming the best. It's very competitive world. अगर आप देखो कॉमर्स से कितने लोग पास आउट होते हैं, बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस लेके कितने ग्रेजुएट्स निकलते हैं, आपके कॉलेज में ही कितने स्टूडेंट्स निकलते हैं, आपके सीनियर्स या आपके जूनियर्स है, आपके जैसे कई सारे कॉलेजेस है. वेयर डू यू स्टैंड? देयर विल बी ओनली अ फ्यू हैंडफुल ऑफ जॉब वैकेंसीज, राइट? वेयर डू यू स्टैंड? They'll tell, if you say that, oh, I've done BAF, there are 10,000 other pay students who've done BAF. Why should I hire you? Is always a question. What do you say? Why should I hire you? You can keep answering in the chat box. If I am an employer, if I ask, why should I hire you? So hiring is not only based on our educational skills. No matter how much you study is always less. There's something new that comes up every time. There are researchers who keep bringing up newer things. There are environment, government bodies. They keep changing. What you need to do is you need to keep pace with it, and you need to not only have a very strong foundation, okay, along with your technical know-how and knowledge, you should have other abilities and skills. Yes, like Shweta and Vivek mentioned, you need to have skills. You need to have an opportunity to show your skills. Okay, so if you see a Deloitte as a company, you must be definitely familiar with it. डेलॉइट ने जब सर्वे किया था ना, उन्होंने देखा कि 2030 में सबसे ज्यादा जो जॉब के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स होंगे ना, वो सॉफ्ट स्किल वाले रिक्वायरमेंट्स होंगे. जॉब्स विच रिक्वायर यू टू टॉक. सो भले वो यू टेक एनी ऑक्यूपेशन, यू कांट जस्ट डू इट इन आइसोलेशन. भले आईटी सॉफ्टवेयर भी जिसको बनाना है ना, वो अकेला नहीं काम कर सकता. उसको भी अपनी आईटी सॉफ्टवेयर किसी को मार्केट करना पड़ता है, उसको बेचना पड़ेगा, उसको 10 लोगों के साथ बात करनी पड़ेगी, right? So you need to understand that along with your education there are various other things that you need to have, and one thing that you definitely need to understand and have is adaptability and flexibility. So we've had so much changes happening. What let us survive was the ability of us to adapt, to be flexible. A third standard wala child also uses technology to study. Okay, you and me also use it, and people in the industry who are not from IT sector also working from home. So many banking and financial institutions were still running, right? You still needed money even during lockdown, that you couldn't go out. On the contrary, technology was so much needed in banking and finance segment, because earlier where people would go deposit money or withdraw money, everybody started using digital mediums to transact. Imagine, agar government was not making us digitally aware and making us use digital technology for banking and finance, the economy would have collapsed long back, right? So along with that, we need to have good communication in terms of knowing people and expressing what we want to say. So be it with our superiors, with our juniors, with our family members, okay. We need to be very much empathetic मतलब दूसरों के बारे में समझना सोचना, और अगर हम उनकी जगह में होते तो हम क्या करते और कैसे महसूस करते हो, उस तरीके से बिहेव करना, राइट. So you need to be aware about yourself. You need to be, not only if you are a CEO, you need to be aware about your employees, what are they going through, right? Lockdown के time पे we realize that people are needing human touch. People are needing people to go to. They want to make interaction with people, otherwise it's difficult, right? So virtual meetings and all these also got developed. You can have you don't have to come to the bank to open an account. You can do a virtual one, जहाँ पे आपका KYC वगैरह सब virtually हो सकता है, right? So this can be done only if you have teamwork, okay. Nobody can be successful. An organization, if it has to be successful, it has to have a great team. You can't be an amazing leader and your entire team is god knows doing what. You need to have a very strong leader, and at the same time you need to have extremely strong team who would have the same vision, who would have the same thought. They would all work towards the same goal. आपने देखा ही होगा, ये टाइम ना कंपटीशन का नहीं था. कंपटीशन में क्या होता है? कंपटीशन में एक की जीत बाकी सबकी हार is generally how you compete to win. Okay, so one person wins, everybody else loses. But in collaboration, what happens is everybody is working towards one goal. Everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to benefit. So you see, YouTubers used to collaborate, right? Instagram has started collaborating. या सो उसमें क्या होता है कि हर एक बंदा, मतलब अगर यूट्यूबर की बात करें, सबको पॉपुलैरिटी चाहिए. तो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर अगर तुम्हारे पास आते हैं और तुम्हारे मेरे पास आते हैं, हम दोनों के सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ रहे हैं ना, दोनों का फायदा हो रहा है, राइट? तो now is the time to collaborate, and this can be done only if you have teamwork and you have better communication. Everybody wants to become a leader. Unless you know what a teamwork is, you don't know how to communicate. No matter how good you are in your skills, you cannot lead the people, right? So you need to be aware. You need to be aware of every person around you. You need to understand that there are strategies to be made, and everything doesn't work in the same fashion, right? So leadership किसको नहीं चाहिए? कौन ऐसा है कि बोलेगा नहीं नहीं मैं तो एग्जीक्यूटिव बन के ही खुश हूँ, मुझे कभी सीईओ नहीं बनना है, मुझे वीपी नहीं बनना है. So start taking initiative. Start learning how to be a leader. Look at people around you. Look at your teachers. Look at your mentors. Look at people when you go to a bank. Look at the bank manager. See how he communicates. See how he is so level-headed, calm, collected. Okay, he doesn't get too hassled. Whereas a very intern को देखो, intern हमेशा hassled रहेगा. He'll always get overwhelmed with work, right? So what you need to do is you need to learn from experiences. Read about good leaders. Read about people who have made a change. Look at the qualities that they have. Ingrain those qualities in you. Because if not today, you would be leading your team, you would be leading your organization. Okay, if not today, tomorrow. All this can be done when you have good time management. Okay, we keep procrastinating. आज नहीं करेंगे, कल करेंगे. Okay, अभी नहीं किया तो चलेगा. Urgent है क्या? नहीं. आपको समझना पड़ेगा अर्जेंट क्या होती है, प्रायोरिटी क्या होते हैं, नॉट सो अर्जेंट क्या होता है, नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट क्या होता है, और सबके लिए वक्त देना होता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पढ़ाई करो तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते रहोगे, एंटरटेनमेंट बाजू में रखा है, फैमिली को ध्यान ही नहीं दिया है. नहीं. टाइम मैनेजमेंट का मतलब है कि सारी चीजें अपने अपने वक्त में करना है और सबको इनफ वक्त देना है. तो भले ही वो आपका it could be your education, entertainment, if it is uh, you wanting to spend time with your family, spending time with friends is equally important. Every person needs to be given time, right? So time management is very important, and if you have good management, stress also would be something that can be managed. You cannot eliminate stress. जितना आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बढ़ते हो उतना ज्यादा काम बढ़ता है, जितना ज्यादा काम उतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है. यू कैन नॉट एलिमिनेट स्ट्रेस, यू कैन मैनेज स्ट्रेस. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई आपको क्या स्ट्रेस करता है, कितने टाइम पे अगर काम नहीं हुआ तो प्रेशर बढ़ता है, उसका आप क्या करते हो, कैसे हैंडल करते हो. ठीक है, वो सब होता है स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट में. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज इन विच यू कैन मैनेज स्ट्रेस. Okay, and definitely all these things are important when it comes to employability skills, because see, we are doing all this to get successful. Okay, to be very good at our jobs. So it is not only the technical know-how, we work with people, we work with human emotions. ठीक है, तो उसके वजह से आप जब कम्युनिकेट करते हो तो क्या कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, कौन से मीडियम के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन इज वन ऑफ द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट दीज डेज. ओके, और डेटा लिटरेसी जो है वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आजकल जितनी महंगाई है उसमें सोना जितना महंगा नहीं है उतना डेटा महंगा है. सारे जनों को एक ही चीज चाहिए, वो है डेटा. And how do you understand data? How do you interpret data? How do you work with data in your benefit? Is something that you need to learn. So आप simultaneously अगर कुछ curriculum के साथ आप सीख सकते हो, पढ़ सकते हो, definitely take it up. Yes. Certain job application essentials. हमने देखा है कि हम ये सब जॉब के लिए करते हो, जॉब जल्दी से मिल जाता है. एक सक्सेसफुल करियर इतनी जल्दी से नहीं बनता, उसके लिए बहुत वक्त लगता है. मेटिकुलसली सोच समझ के प्लानिंग वैनिंग सब. आप जब मूवी प्लान करते हो ना, तब कितने 4-5 दिन तो कहाँ जाओगे, कब जाओगे, कौन सी थिएटर में क्या मूवी लगी है, कितने पैसे लगते हैं, वो सब आप इतना सोचते हो. हाँ, और अपने करियर के लिए आपने कितना थॉट डाला है. Okay, so start thinking about your career, start thinking about what are your skills. Okay, how do you use your qualification, how do you say that I am the one that you're looking for, I am the best person that you should be hiring. Okay, तो ये आप ना अगर साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट लेते हो ना, तो आप अपने बारे में जान सकते हो, आपके इंटरेस्ट क्या, अपनी आपकी पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है, क्या आप जो क्षेत्र में काम करना चाहते हो वो आपके लिए अच्छी है कि नहीं. एंड अंडरस्टैंड जॉब आर टेम्पररी, जॉब्स आर शॉर्ट लिव. Look for a career, look for a place where you don't mind working for years to come, right? So you should be happy not only today but tomorrow and years to come also. You should be able to grow. There has to be something that can, you know make you look up to each and every day, and wake up and do something new, innovate, right? So qualifications are something that is very essential. I would appreciate if you don't scribble and scratch on the screen. Yeah. Next is having a vision. See, everybody talks about being successful. उसके पास इतना है. हम हमेशा थोड़े very popular businessmen को quote करते कि तुम XYZ हो क्या. वो ऐसे ही नहीं businessman बने, वो ऐसे ही बड़े नहीं बने, right? तो आपको strategize करना पड़ेगा, आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, आपके वीकनेसेस और स्ट्रेंथ्स को लेके आपने कुछ करना है. आपके इकोनॉमिक, मेंटल, इमोशनल स्टेट को सोचते हुए आपने वैसे आपके प्लान्स बनाने चाहिए. और उसके लिए जो भी आपको स्किल्स चाहिए, आप अभी से स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन देम. Okay, so making resumes, making a CV, knowing how to present those resumes, right? How do you put yourself in the best possible way? Okay, your resume be sounding amazing, लेकिन आप इंटरव्यू में अगर बात ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो अपने बारे में, what's the use, right? So that was a little bit about various employability skills that we thought may be useful for you, and you might start working on the same. Very briefly, I'd like to tell you about my organization. We are University of Mumbai's Garware Institute of Career Education and Development, और हम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में ही हैं. Okay, अगर आप कलीना आते हो तो definitely do visit us. And we are into skill-based education. We are into education which will give you the impetus to work better in the organization and industry. So for which we have undergraduate diplomas, we have undergraduate bachelor's degree in various fields like retail, pharmaceuticals, paint, then we have jewelry and designing, customs and logistics. So depending upon your interest, depending upon the field that you would want to learn, we have programs in post graduation पार्ट टाइम एंड फुल टाइम एज वेल. दीज आर सर्टन ऑफ एरियाज. अगर आप देखो हॉस्पिटल एंड हेल्थ केयर सेगमेंट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. So how can you fit in yourself in that segment? Okay, look at where your interest lies and see how you can monetize on it, right? Because that is how you'll have fun. It'll not be like going to work, it'll be like going to work, right? So enjoy yourself when you are studying. There's a lot more to understand. It is not only to pass and get a degree. Your knowledge will be understood and applied later on as well. So get your master's degree, learn as much as possible. With that, I shall stop the presentation. I welcome you all to today's webinar. The webinar is on career guidance and employability skills. It's my pleasure to be here. My name is Shubha Nayak, and I shall begin the session by giving you a little guidance and help to accelerate and push your career path and give you certain suggestion as to how you can groom yourself and how you can better your prospects of getting an amazing career ahead. We have Professor Sundara Jyoti ma'am here, who will be with you throughout the journey, and she will be the one guiding you through your careers and mentoring you as well from your institute. I would like to mention special thanks to the principal of the college uh, and also to the director of Garwari Institute and the assistant director as well, without whose guidance and encouragement, this webinar wouldn't have happened. So thank you so much, Dr. Trishna Mehta ma'am and the entire team at SPDT College to have taken the initiative to bring this to you all. And I hope that you all take the maximum benefit of today's session. We shall be beginning with some employability skills related talk, after which we will be giving a little career guidance by Sundara Jyoti ma'am, as well as we'll be having a special guest speaker who will be talking about retail management. You can have all your questions put in the chat box. I believe a lot of you all are not able to hear me. That is because you have not joined in with your audio. So please connect. I think Munni and other people who have not joined in can't hear me because you have not connected your audio. So Akash, Munni, Pooja, Vivek, I think Vivek has. But yeah, those who have not, please join in with your audio. So I believe you all have been very keen in studies. Okay, आपने पढ़ाई में बहुत रुचि रखी है, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो और हम सारी जने जो बचपन से ये पढ़ाई के पीछे लगे थे, वो एक रीजन से था, so that we can get amazing job, we can work at an amazing organization and have a successful career in front of us. That is so true. Okay, education gives us knowledge. It gives us knowledge to do our work. It gives us knowledge how to behave. It gives us the technical know-how to practically apply in our workplace, right? So having this technical know-how is extremely crucial and important. So studies are important. Reading is quite important. So keep gaining knowledge as much as possible. I will just share my screen. Give me a second. So in this day and age, जब इतना competition है, okay, सारे जने जो है वो जॉब करना चाहते हैं, सक्सेसफुल करियर लेना चाहते हैं, और हमारे जैसे ही लाखों बच्चे हैं जो
बीकॉम कर रहे हैं और कॉमर्स पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Every year lakhs of students get graduated, but not all of them get employed. Certain people get employment within a month of graduation. Some people need to wait for 6 months, some people 9 months. Some people don't get the jobs that they were aspiring, then they compromise and they settle for any job opportunity that comes their way. वर्ल्ड जो है वो अभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जा भी रहा है. जिनके पास नौकरियां थी वो भी डिसरप्ट हुए हैं. बट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल स्टिल गेटिंग प्रमोटेड ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक एंड लॉकडाउन. देयर आर स्टिल सो मेनी पीपल जिनका हायरिंग कंटिन्यूअसली था भी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे. तो ये जो वर्क प्लेस सिनेरियो है ना, वो जैसे पहले हमें पता था और अभी पैंडेमिक के बाद ना बहुत सिचुएशन चेंज हुआ है. ये हमें समझ में आया है फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री दैट it's not only getting a job, it is about retaining the job, it is about growing within that organization, self growth. So बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनसे हमें ना कि सिर्फ जॉब मिलता है लेकिन हम वो जॉब टिका के रख सकते हैं. और वो सारी चीजें हैं एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स. ये ऐसे स्किल्स है जो आपको इंटरव्यू क्लियर करा दे, आपको एक जॉब लैंड करा दे, एट द सेम टाइम ग्रोथ दे दे जब आप वो करियर प्रोग्रेशन में हो. Jobs are easy. Jobs are easy to get. Jobs are easy to find. A career at the same time is not so easy. Career is for longer period of time. Job 6 महीना 1 आध साल इंटर्नशिप तक भी काम आता है. तो हमने जो फोकस करना चाहिए वो है करियर पे. Okay, career growth, career enhancement, career upgradation. So all these things are something that we should start ingraining in ourselves while we are getting our education. At the same time, it is our personal liability and responsibility to take care of these certain skills. अगर हमारे में वो strength के तौर पे नहीं है तो हमारे पास टाइम है, हमारे पास और 2 साल 3 साल है जिसके ऊपर हम काम कर सकते हैं और हम better हो सकते हैं. By the time we are facing interviews, by the time we are facing jobs, we are all set with our these skills. Okay, there is a difference between talent and skill. Anybody can tell us what is the difference between talent and skill? You can write in the chat box. Akash, voice is not coming because you have not kept your audio on. Talent and skills. Okay, so talent is something that we are born with. Yeah, it's natural. It's natural to you. Somebody is talented in terms of drawing, maths. Some are talented with dancing, and they have beautiful voice. Skill, on the other hand, can be improved upon through practice. आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करते हो, आप जितना उस पे काम करते हो, उतना ज्यादा आप स्किल्ड होते हो. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए स्किल कहा जाता है. तो अगर आप देखें, लैंग्वेज स्किल है, आप सीख सकते हो, बेटर हो सकते हो. ठीक है, आज थोड़े हम स्किल्स देखेंगे जिससे आप ना एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडिडेट बनोगे. जब आपको जॉब मार्केट जब हम कहते हैं, इट इज वेरी वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल लाइक अस, बट वी वांट टू बी somebody who's standing apart and we want to get selected, right? So interviews are time where it's a selection process and we want to work on us getting selected. So there are several job opportunities that are available and will be created in coming years. What we need to work on is making ourselves a candidate strong enough to beat the rest of the lakh. So 99,000 people को हमें beat करके वो एक job land करना है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम other than our education, so we need to be very good at our education so that we get to know what we are supposed to be doing. Apart from that, there was this survey that has been done by Deloitte. Okay, Deloitte is a large organization and firm, and they have done a research and survey, and that survey says that around 2/3 of the jobs, okay, in any industry, be it IT, be it retail, be it tourism, be it pharmaceuticals, be it agri businesses, they all will have 2/3 of the job will require you to have soft skills as a priority. Okay, and we need to work on those skills. Okay, so if you see on your screen, you can see a image of a bridge and a river. Has anybody heard of the bridge on river Choluteca? Yes, Mr. Bharat has mentioned that talent not everyone can have, but skill everyone can. Definitely, you are born with certain talents or not, but skill is something that you all can work. So, maths is a skill, languages are skills. Skills are things that you can keep working and becoming better. Yes. Anybody who's heard of this bridge on river Choluteca? ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, ये फोटोशॉप नहीं है. हाँ, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं और रिवर है और कहीं और ब्रिज है, so no, it's not Photoshop. I would like you all to be a little more interactive so that I understand where we are going. Can you see that river flowing after the bridge is ended? तो जनरली क्या होता है कि ब्रिज हम किस लिए बांधते हैं? क्या रीजन होता है हम ब्रिज क्यों बांधते हैं? Okay. So generally we build bridges so that we can cross over from one end to the other. Yes, to go easily from one side to the other side. So if you see here, there is a bridge and it is not an architectural disaster. Okay, believe me. This river is in Honduras. Anyone who knows where Honduras is? कभी सुना है? कंट्री का नाम है Honduras. हॉन्ड्यूरस साउथ अमेरिका का एक कंट्री है. ओके, सो ये साउथ अमेरिका में है. हॉन्ड्यूरस इज अ कंट्री व्हिच गेट्स द मैक्सिमम हरिकेन्स एंड स्टॉर्म्स. ओके, बहुत हरिकेन आता है. इंडिया में इतना हरिकेन्स हम एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करते. उड़ीसा में बहुत हरिकेन्स आते हैं, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र डजंट गेट हरिकेन्स और स्टॉर्म्स. One such stormy hurricane had and this river which was flowing under the bridge, the entire course of river only changed because of that storm. Changing its entire course. कहाँ से बह रहा था उसके बगल में से बहने लग गया. तो ये जो ब्रिज था ना, वो पहले तो रिवर के ऊपर से ही था, लोग क्रॉस कर सकते थे. अभी वो स्टॉर्म के बाद वी हैव द ब्रिज जिसके नीचे से पानी नहीं बह रहा. एनवायरमेंट भी इतना चेंज लेके आता है, तो सोचिए कि इंडस्ट्रीज में कितने चेंज होते हैं. नेचर doesn't change so drastically, but you can see that nature is changing, and change is the only thing which is constant. Rest everything is not constant. Change is only constant. So what we need to understand and develop is we need to be resilient. Second thing is we need to have adaptability and flexibility. So surviving or going through is not good enough. You need to be at the top. Okay, only when you are the best will you be able to survive and make it to the top, for which you need to be adaptable and flexible. Can you all see the image? The left image is of a chameleon. गिरगिट. गिरगिट की क्या खूबी होती है? गिरगिट का एक नेचर होता है, एकदम पेक्यूलियर नेचर होता है. So if you see here also, we've given a rainbow shade to that chameleon. It changes colors. And how and why does it change color? To get the color where he stands. Yes. According to the surrounding. Yes. So a chameleon changes its color as per the surrounding. So what he does is he adapts himself and camouflages himself as per the surrounding. And why does he do that? Why does he have to change? Why can't we change our colors? Why can't we just blend in? Today I feel like I should be purple, tomorrow pink. Why do we not change colors? Why does zebra is black and white? And why can't he be colorful like a chameleon? Yes, because if you see, chameleon doesn't have claws. It can't run so fast like a zebra. It can't protect himself too much from the prey. Predators जो होते हैं ना, वो easily spot करके chameleon को खा सकते हैं क्योंकि उसके पास कुछ poison नहीं है, venom नहीं है. वो अपने आप को defend कैसे करे? तो वो सेफ्टी के लिए करता है. सेकंड, वो भी एक प्रेडेटर है, वो भी इंसेक्ट्स और बीज और ये सब खाता है. तो फॉर प्रेइंग पर्पस एज वेल, राइट? To survive. Yes, Kevin. So to survive and to thrive, he needs to adapt with his surrounding. The better he can camouflage, the better he can save himself from a predator, and he can keep preying and eating food non-stop. So we also need to adapt to our surrounding and situation. And I think we've done it very well. If you see the pandemic situation, think about people working from home. Marketing people जो हमेशा बाहर रहते हैं, एक्टिव रहते हैं, even they had to work from home. They had to still run the business from home. Except for IT professionals, I don't think so anybody had the privilege of working from home. Look at you and me. हम हमेशा सुबह उठ के लेक्चर के लिए क्लासरूम में जाते थे. You and me are sitting in the our homes, and we are taking live sessions. We never thought of being so digitally advanced, but within a year we have gone from 0 to 100 in 60 seconds. So we are human beings, and we are more attuned to flexibility and adaptability. आप जितने जल्दी changes को accept करके अपने आप को ढाल लेते हो, उतने ज्यादा आप टिके रहते हो. And that is one of the skills that you need to think of. You need to adapt. You need to set pace with time and your surroundings, right? Next very important skill that you need to get aligned is digital skills. Okay, आप बीकॉम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, उसके साथ ना आप अगर देखो गवर्नमेंटल भी बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स है जहाँ से आप एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन ले सकते हो. तो अगर आप स्वयं देखो या फिर NSDC का ई स्किल देखिए. हमने भी आपके लिए एक ई स्किल का मॉड्यूल लाया है फॉर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट लिंक विथ यू so that you can take this 5-hour ka module on employability skills which have certificates. So if you see Coursera, LinkedIn, Swayam, NSDC's eSkill India, all these people have digital skills given. LinkedIn के पास तो 2-3 मिनट के भी स्किल के सेशंस होते हैं. 5 घंटा 1 घंटे का भी आप ई स्किल सर्टिफिकेट्स ले सकते हैं. So if you see 82% of the job vacancies now require you to have digital skill of some kind. अगर आप देखिए कोडिंग जो है वो अभी आप YouTube पे जाओ, इंस्टा पे जाओ, स्नैपचैट पे जाओ, कहीं पे भी जाओ, they talk about coding being taught even in schools. बड़ों से बड़ों तक को डिजिटल स्किल्स होना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. And this pandemic has brought us, like, literally they opened our eyes to so many new things, and it's amazing how people have made use of it. If not, you still have the time to go ahead and pick up those e-skills. So digital skills, extremely important. Digital communication, supreme. You have yourself seen that every content was coming online. So that's the only source of communication, right? So having good digital communication is crucial. Having leadership quality is important. It's not only leadership doesn't mean just you leading people. It is making sure that your entire team is with you on the same vision. The mission of the organization is fulfilled. You need to understand your superiors. You need to understand your juniors and subordinates. You need to communicate with everybody. Start taking leadership. Okay, you don't have to wait for somebody to tell you what to do. Be proactive. Okay, Okay, those are the ones who I would request you all to mute yourself so that there's no disturbance. Yeah. So be aware of yourself. Be aware of what qualities you have. Strengthen it. Take people along with you. Okay, and that can happen only through communication. Okay, communication doesn't only mean speaking in English language. Communication means bringing across your ideas, understanding people, listening to people. Listening is a very important skill that we have forgotten of. Okay, so be aware of yourself, be aware of your surroundings, be very open to learning, be somebody who observes. Okay, and if you see during pandemic now, ऐसा situation आया था जहाँ पे HR of an organization had to work non-stop. I give example. Take marketing people. Marketing executives and marketing managers are so used to going on field. वो हमेशा बाहर ही रहते थे. उनको ऐसे चार दीवारी में रहने का और काम करने का आदत नहीं है. At the same time, a software engineer, no, he is used to चार दीवार एक cubicle काम करते रहना है. लेकिन ये मार्केटिंग मैनेजर्स को ना घर पे रखा था, एंग्शियस थे. पहला एक महीना तो आप कहीं पे बाहर नहीं जा सकते थे. एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम मे ऑनवर्ड्स व्हेन द लॉकडाउन eased, they could at least move out. Imagine their flight. कभी घर में नहीं थे. आप अपने बारे में ही सोचो, आप कभी घर में 24 घंटा नहीं रहते थे, आपको घर पे रहना पड़ रहा था. इमोशंस कितने हेवायर होते हैं, कितने थॉट्स आते हैं, कितने कूप्ड अप फील करते हैं, अनईजी फील करते हैं. तो एचआर जो था, उनको स्पेसिफिकली टास्क दिया गया था कि आप सारे एम्प्लॉयज के साथ बात कीजिए, देखें कि वो ठीक है, उनके फैमिलीज ठीक है ना, क्योंकि you are not used to having everybody all the time, right? 24 hours together, too much to bear, right? So you need to understand that as a leader, as a team player, emotional intelligence hona bahut important hai. And it's crucial to understand, be empathetic, have negotiations, have discussions, solve problems together. Yes, and that is something that we all need to learn and be better at. Data literacy. Oh, jitna gold precious hai na, for an organization, data is that precious. Okay, and when we are talking about the fourth industrial revolution, every company requires data. Hence, if you take up any kind of programs or understanding on data analysis, yeah, data literacy or data computation, it will be added bonus for you. It will be something additional that the rest of the country does, you know, rest of the population who's done graduation in commerce doesn't have what you have. So keep developing your skills in terms of data. You can't say that मुझे मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है, मुझे नंबर से कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. I'm sorry, आपको पसंद हो या ना पसंद हो, सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेटा पे ही काम करते हैं. ठीक है, कंज्यूमर डेटा नहीं है तो वो सेल कैसे करे? अगर आप प्रोडक्शन में हो या फिर आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कौन से भी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट में हो, आपको डेटा के साथ ही डील करना है, नंबर्स के साथ ही डील करना है. सो द क्विकर यू एक्सेप्ट इट and learn it, the better it is for you. Yes, so data literacy is another skill that we need to work on. Teamwork and collaboration. Gone are the days of competition. Competition में क्या होता है कि कोई एक ही जीतता है, बाकी सबकी हार है. लेकिन collaboration में क्या होता है, जितने भी लोग collaborate करते ना, वो सारे जने जीतते हैं, because they all work towards one goal. They are all putting their energy in getting successful, right? So you can see teamwork, you can see interpersonal communication, you can see problem solving, you can see decision making, you can see negotiation. All these things are to work towards a common goal of being successful. When we are talking about success, when we are talking about work, we cannot ignore stress. The higher you go in terms of work and hierarchy, the more stress it is. क्योंकि जब आप स्टूडेंट होते हो ना, आपको सिर्फ आपकी पढ़ाई के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है. जब आप जॉब पे जाते हो तो आपको जॉब, आप क्या कमिट करके आए हो उसको फुलफिल करने के उद्देश्य से रहते हो. जैसे जैसे आप मैनेजर बनते हो, एरिया मैनेजर, सीईओ बनते हो, आपकी खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और आपके पूरे टीम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, राइट? तो जितना ज्यादा काम, जितना ज्यादा रिस्क, जितना ज्यादा पैसा कमाते हो, उतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है। लेकिन अगर आप अभी से वो स्ट्रेस हैंडल करने को सीखते हो, तो जैसे आप पेडेस्टल में ऊपर चढ़ते जाते हो, you are more calm, you know what you're expecting. You look at Ratan Tata, you look at Prime Minister Modi, you think they have less amount of stress, you think they have less number of people that they work for. Look at them, they're so calm, collected, they know what they're doing. You'll never find MS Dhoni, कैप्टन कूल बोलते थे ना उनको। आपको क्या लगता है वो पूरा टीम को मैनेज करना और विनिंग टीम को लेके जाना इजी है क्या? स्ट्रेस नहीं होता उनको? बट दे हैव लर्न टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेस। ओके, दे आर एट पीस, दे आर काम, दे आर हैप्पी, दे आर रेडी, दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड। ओके, एल्स यू विल बी सैड, यू विल ऑलवेज बी बिजी। आपके पास कभी वक्त नहीं होगा अपने लिए, अपने फैमिली के लिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए, मजा करने के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ाई करने के लिए। यू विल नॉट हैव टाइम बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज स्ट्रेस्ड। Okay, you will be stressed, you will be angry, you will be chidchida, you will be worried, and this takes you nowhere. The more happy, the more content, the more positive you are, you need to be prepared. You need to know that, okay, this is what is going to happen, and you keep yourself ready, you keep your team ready for the same. One thing that we've always seen is what you get stressed about is time. You never have enough time. खत्म ही नहीं होते काम। जो मम्मी ने बोला है, जो टीचर ने बोला है, जो फ्रेंड्स ने कहा है, वो कभी काम खत्म नहीं होता। वी ऑलवेज से कि कल कर लेंगे, कल कर लेंगे। जैसे हम जिम जाते ही हैं, न्यू ईयर का रेजोल्यूशन होता है, हम फिटनेस के बारे में सोचेंगे, हम पढ़ाई के बारे में सोचेंगे, और अभी 18 तारीख आया है, हम में से कई लोग अभी भी जिम जा ही रहे हैं। सो इफ यू सी, टाइम इज द सेम फॉर यू, मी, इलॉन मस्क, बिल गेट्स, Prime Minister Modi, everybody got 24 hours. But look at how much they accomplish in a day, and look at how much we accomplish in a day, right? Only thing is they know how to manage their time well. They have time for themselves, they have time for their employees, they have time for their families, they have time for their friends, they have time for the entire world, and they write and they give interviews. How do they manage? Right? So you from now should learn how to manage your time. Don't just focus on one thing. You and your life has so much more. पढ़ाई है, खेल कूद है, नेटफ्लिक्स भी देखना है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर भी जाना है, मम्मी और पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है. Give time, manage time to do everything. Learn about it from now on so that you can get better over a period of time. The last one that I'd like to talk about is your job application essentials. From now on, you will need to start working on certain things. एक है आप जितना हो सके उतना certification और knowledge gain कीजिए. I'm not talking only about certification. I'll give you example. Interview में ना हम एक common question पूछते हैं. Computer knowledge है क्या? Students पता है क्या कहते हैं, या जो job interview में जाते हैं वो कहते हैं हाँ मैंने MSc IT किया है. MSc IT करना और computers और Excel आना दो अलग चीजें हैं. आपको MSc IT का सर्टिफिकेट ऐसे ही मिल जाता है, लेकिन क्या आपको एक्सेल आता है? तो डोंट फोकस ओनली ऑन सर्टिफिकेट, फोकस ऑन हाउ मच यू आर लर्निंग, हाउ मच मोर कैन यू हैव इट. या so make sure that you are learning, you are gaining more knowledge. Certain times even if you don't get a certification, that's fine, gain knowledge. Many a times you can't just say that मैंने YouTube पे पढ़ा है. You certain things you need to have certification to verify. So अभी से आपके रेज्यूमे पे काम करने को चालू कीजिए, आपके सीवी पे काम करना चालू कीजिए, अपने आप के ऊपर काम करना चालू कीजिए. नो व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस, प्ले ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ. जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको आगे करते रहिए, जो वीकनेस है ना उसको एलिमिनेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. देखिए आपको क्या चीज है, और ये सब जॉब रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. हाँ, योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड योर वीकनेसेस शुड बी समथिंग दैट इज जॉब रेडी. Okay, so start thinking on that direction. You all are amazingly skilled. You have lot of passion. You have lot of understanding. You are all intelligent. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Only thing is we are very lazy. Okay, we don't know what to do when. Okay, if you're guided properly, if you take things seriously, no, nothing is impossible. Everybody here who has joined has tremendous potential. It's only that you have to tap it at the right time, be at the right place, be with the right people, and success is yours. Okay. Uh, all right. Let me very briefly talk about American India Foundation. They are the one who has arranged for this seminar along with Dell Technologies. And American India Foundation works towards livelihood programs, works with youth, and giving them a lot of opportunities ahead. So one of the program that we are doing, that is Garware Institute is having, is with the career guidance, okay, and employability skills. So this is brought to you by American India Foundation and Dell Technologies. Very briefly, if I want to talk about my institute, that is University of Mumbai's Garware Institute of Career Education and Development. We are in the यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस, तो अगर आप कलीना आते हो तो हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट वहीं पे है. हम स्किल बेस्ड एजुकेशन पे है. वी आर नॉट इनटू मेन स्ट्रीम कॉमर्स, आर्ट्स एंड साइंस, बट वी आर विद द skill based education. So these are certain of our courses that we have. More into now, since you are into commerce, these are certain options that you can think of. Okay. Trade is very important. So custom clearance, if you talk about e-commerce and retail, okay, you need to have a lot of logistics people. Okay, क्योंकि अगर आप Amazon की बात करते हो ना, Amazon के पास दुकान नहीं है अपना खुद का, वो अपना खुद का बनाता नहीं है. It has private label these days with Solimo and Amazon Basics, लेकिन उसका major जो बिजनेस है वो लॉजिस्टिक्स के ऊपर और सप्लाई चेन बेस्ड है. तो Amazon, Flipkart ये अपना सप्लाई चेन बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं. And you can think about having your career in logistics and supply chain. If you're interested in traveling and making people travel, tourism and travel is something that you can definitely think about. I believe you all are quite interested in retail. Retail is an immensely dynamic, and it's one thing that will never cease to exist. Okay. आप पैंडेमिक की सिचुएशन देखो, बाकी सब इंडस्ट्रीज बंद हुए थे, लेकिन रिटेल सेक्टर चालू था. किराना दुकान, सुपर स्टोर, डीमार्ट, वो सब चालू थे. ऑनलाइन बिजनेसेस, बिग बास्केट, विशियस, ग्रोफर्स. अगर आप देखिए, people who were into restaurant businesses were also doing retail business of selling groceries and food products. So you had Zomato, Swiggy, who were telling ki we can also deliver food and food products at your doorstep, FMCG products. So that is one thing that will never stop. So if you are thinking of having a career in retail, amazing, you can grow, and there is so much to offer. I'm definitely sure Sajan sir would be talking about all of them in detail. Lot of designing and aspects. Another aspect I'd like to talk about, which was trending and has a lot of future, is healthcare. Okay, pharmaceuticals and healthcare segment is at an extreme rise because of the pandemic situation. We have a course in hospital administration. So after your graduation, if you want to get into healthcare, you can. And if you're not done science, hospital administration ka course agar aap karte ho, you will be able to understand the working of a hospital. So many hospitals were there. They had nurses, but they had amazing doctors, but they couldn't manage. इतने सारे पेशेंट्स होते थे, तो chaos होता था. तो तभी समझ में आया कि हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भी बहुत लोग चाहिए रहते हैं. These are certain of our part-time courses. Advertisement in media, mass media is something that you can always look into. If you are interested in content writing these days, even you find a lot of people managing YouTubers, influencers. Those kind of jobs are also quite in trend. You can definitely get into agriculture. Agriculture is the next best thing. It will never cease to exist, right? So you can have yourself in dairy, agriculture, FMCG kind of production organizations. That is also something that will never stop. Additional courses if you are interested in management. So event management, sports management, amazing opportunities there. Look at Virat Kohli's manager. All these sports person, they need management for sure. So that is something that you can go into. We have a lot of post graduation master's degree program. We have in financial markets and capital markets. That is something that you can look into. And afterwards, if you have more questions, it would be my pleasure.
Now here we are almost confused as to what career we need to choose. And we end up sometimes choosing careers where we don't like. I had my own son doing that. He took up engineering later. He had to leave. He didn't like it only. And then he had switched over and now he has become a pilot. So he could have done that 4 years before. But then we end up doing something. So career choice are life choices, so that we have to take them very, very seriously and do it rightly. Now for that, we have all these options, where to go, what to do in arts. So many of us are confused. Some of the areas madam has already discussed, but still we need to think about it. For that, first thing is we need to do the SWOT analysis. And what is SWOT analysis? Is that we try to find out our strength, weakness, and interest, and based on that we select a career. It's very, very important. Now in the field of arts, we have a long list. If you look at the PPT, you can see there's a long list. You, some may like a psychology, some may like history, some may go for economics. So these are all the various subjects, but each subject has their own career. For example, in psychology, you have a sports psychologist, you can become a school psychologist, then forensic psychologist, clinical psychologist, you can also end up with social work. So these are some of the fields in psychology. Then many of us in school days, we don't like history, geography, right? But they are very interesting subjects in that. Like you can have museology, archivist, teaching, civil services. These are some of the fields which you can take up with this subject. And if you want to become a police officer, IPS, history is one of the subjects. History, political science are some of the subjects we need to emphasize on. Then if you have taken up sociology, then we have, you can go into guidance, you can go into become a counselor. Then human resource, it's a upcoming field nowadays. Then as a lawyer, management consultant. So these are some of the fields. You can also become a media planner. It's an upcoming field now. Policy analyst, public relation. Some of the fields with sociology. Sociology means we are dealing with people. So sociology becomes a very important subject. Then of course, as sports, somebody had already asked about sports. Then in sports, you have a lot of scope nowadays, because every child nowadays are interested in sports. It's a very important field nowadays. And you can have administration, operation, grassroots development, managing sports association. As she has already said, you can also become a sports event management, athletic team, league management, retail, and sports tourism. Sports tourism is coming up now, and this is also one of the important field which you can take up. Then as a subject on geography, you can become a lecturer, you can become a metallurgist, you can become a landscape architecture because it deals with the land. Then you have the cartography, that is mapping and all those things we can do. Then surveyor, drafter, government employees, regional planner. So are some of the specialized fields which you can specialize in and you can have the job in that. Then as I said, political science, you can have in government offices, law, business, international organization. Then you can have journalism as one of your subject if you have. Somebody was asking about what about if you take up Marathi. Journalism is, if you are a good creative writer, you can become a journalist. Electronic politics, research, and college teaching is one of the subjects where you can go with political science. Anthropology is another subject where which is caters to, once you do anthropology, you can go into advertising, cultural and environment resource, forensic science, human resource, human right, and law and management are some of the subjects that you can take. Then you have statistics. Statistics, some may ask, it is a math subject, how can we do? But even you have people doing maths with BA with statistics, and they have a good scope as data and scientists. You have risk analyst, data analyst, some of the professions which you can take up. Then foreign language, nowadays the stress is more on foreign language, where people are learning French, they're learning Spanish, German is an upcoming language which people are taking up, and have a good scope abroad. And you can go as a translator, interpreter, international sales marketing, college lecturer, hotel manager, linguistic tour guide you can have, then flight attendant, journalism, again one of the field you can have. Then of course you also have what you call as bloggers, language bloggers. This is also one of the place where people who are good at foreign language, who have learned foreign language, can go in. And then you have the teaching abroad, and also content writer and editor. This is also a very upcoming field. Content writer can be in any language, need not be even foreign language, even your own regional language can be, you can become a content writer if you're good at.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the scope of Korean language?
Korean language is just a language, but I am talking about some of the languages which are globally, recognized.
No, so like I thought basically Samsung, Hyundai, and all they are here in Mumbai, so they have a good business.
You can,
So that
you
is
can
why.
learn language. Foreign language learning is no barrier at all. You can do that. That only thing it plays on your interest you have, and develop the language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then philosophy is one more thing which many people avoid taking the subject, but it's also a very good subject. Lawyers you can become, then cultural affair officer, technical writer, and a critic. This is a place where critics have a place where you can write on it, and you can develop your career. So this what I mentioned here are some of the careers associated with the subjects, because normally we end up taking some of the subjects, and then for example some children take economics and later they end up what to do, and they're not knowing, and they come to the teaching field, and teaching field economics is not a subject in schools or anything, only in college if there is a subject. So again there is a even appointment wise, as I worked as an administrator, I can tell you that we hardly appoint teachers with economics as a background. So the teaching is one of the subjects which you can with arts, if you have a subjects like science, math, or social studies, you can go in for teaching as a career. Of course, lecturer is one of the thing which you can specialize in, but you need to go do your masters and PhD or MPhil for that matter, and then with that you can become a lecturer. Now, besides this, you also have careers which are, what you call it as non-stream career. One of them is bachelor in vocational training. There, any field that is there, and if you are at 12th standard, if you have completed your 12th with any art, science, commerce, you can go for bachelor in vocational training. This is a new subject which has been introduced by Mumbai University, and the best part of this is if you have done it in 1 year, you get a diploma. If you have done it in 2 years, you get a BA degree. That way, 1, 2, 3, every step you take is graded, and you get a certificate for that. And that is a very nice course, which if anyone is interested, and there are colleges offering bachelors in vocational training.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what about archaeology and heritage management course?
For that, you need to specialize in history and geography.
So,
And then
like,
go ahead.
what jobs I will get after I do masters in archaeology?
I just mentioned that museology and abroad you have more scope, but of course now here in Bombay also they have already started archaeology as a subject, so you just find
So
out
like,
the options. Yeah.
so what post I'll get? I mean, what is the post I'll get after doing
Because it
archaeology?
is a long, you have to spend long duration, because it's not that you finish in 4 years and you get a job. It's a
Yeah.
long duration you need to spend. So I think I've mentioned about archaeology. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Where's the slide from? Yeah, archaeology. I think I've not mentioned here, but archaeology is one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. With geography as a subject, you can go ahead with that.
Okay, so like, I have to take geography as a special subject in the third year,
Yeah,
ma'am.
because that is where that is where you can know about the uh, land, right? Land and other
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
Archaeology
So,
is a, yeah.
so ma'am, what about heritage management?
Heritage management, history. History is one of the subject which you need to take.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, madam. Greetings to you, firstly.
Yeah.
Madam, I am pursuing my political science.
Yeah.
Okay, master's in political science. It's about to get completed in this month of June
Huh.
from Mumbai University itself, only IDLE.
Hmm.
And later, I want to pursue my career in teaching itself only. And I have been planning for PhD also as well as madam. So how it would be like while pursuing PhD in India and abroad, like how it is different?
See, abroad also you have a scope, but
Okay.
then as an undergraduate student, if you had gone, it would have been better. But post graduation also you can go after you finish your graduation.
Okay.
So you need to see where you can apply, and what are the avenues available, which best college you can choose. All that you have
o-
to make a survey. Then only you will be
Okay.
able to do that.
Okay. 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 Madam. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, just was coming to non-STEM bachelor's course, which are also very interesting. Like some of the fields have already been mentioned by Madam. Like event management is one of them. Then you have the hospitality management. Then travel and tourism is taking up nowadays. So that also you can pursue. Then you have social work, which you can take. Then of course, I've already told you about the teaching. Then you have performing arts, social work, law, if anybody is interested. Then some of the programming languages like web designing, graphic designing is also side by side you can do with your studies, like so that you have something in hand when you go for a further courses. Then those who are interested in advertising, they can go in if they are good at
Excuse me,
mass
ma'am.
media. Yes.
What about a UPSC, ma'am? Can you
Yeah, UPSC exam is normally attempted twice in a year. They take out the advertisement, and UPSC exam, I think science background is a must for that. Physics, general knowledge, and English is a criteria which the exams are held.
Okay, thank you,
So
ma'am.
yeah, I think January and July, I think if I'm not mistaken now, there may be a change in the dates of the UPSC exam.
हेलो मैम
Check up. Yes.
मैम एक्चुअली हमें ना हिंदी से पीएचडी करना है
Hmm.
तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा?
आपका हिंदी मेन लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए थर्ड ईयर में।
जी
थर्ड ईयर में मेन लैंग्वेज, फिर उधर सब्जेक्ट जो है आपको चूज करके किसमें स्पेशलाइज करना है, वो सब्जेक्ट्स सब सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक्स टाइटल्स वो सब सिलेबस में देख के आपको चूज करना है। फिर
मैम हम एक्चुअली ये मुंबई आइडल से ही कर रहे हैं, तो पीएचडी के लिए कंपलसरी एमए करना जरूरी है रेगुलर या फिर
आई थिंक एमए यू कैन डू इवन बाय डिस्टेंस, बट उसका पीएचडी के लिए आपको एंट्रेंस एग्जाम पेट या नेट देना चाहिए। फिर अगर आप उसमें पास होंगे तो सिलेक्शन राउंड होती है, उसमें फिर आपको आगे जा सकते हैं।
और मैम दूसरा टीवाई के बाद मतलब टीवाई बीए के बाद हम और कौन से एग्जाम्स ऐसे दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि एक तो बीएड हुआ, इसके अलावा
बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स है जो आप दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि टीचिंग का हो गया, फिर भी दूसरा आपको आपके इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर है, फिर आपके इंटरेस्ट क्या है वो आप टैप कीजिए पहले, क्योंकि
हम
उसके
हिंदी
ऊपर
में ही
आपके
करना चाहते हैं हम।
हिंदी में ही करना चाहते हैं
जी,
तो हिंदी में तो मास्टर्स कर सकते हैं, पीएचडी कर सकते हैं, फिर आगे जाके आप क्रिएटिव राइटिंग कर सकते हैं, या स्टूडेंट बच्चों के लिए आपको कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं, या कहानियाँ या स्टोरीज, ऐसे क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में भी आप जा सकते हैं।
So I'm thinking that I should cover the main points I will be touching upon. That is, what is journalism? Then journalism, eligibility criteria and skills which are required for the journalism field. Then I will talk about career options with the print media as well as career options in electronic media, and the emergence of new media, that is web media. Okay. So, is it a preferred language? I mean, English and Hindi. What? Anybody, please tell me. Are they okay with the English, or I should speak in Marathi, or I should speak in Hindi?
Ma'am, English or Hindi both are fine.
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am. So now let us see one by one. Let us see what is journalism. Okay. I don't know the background of the participants, so I am just giving a general idea. As journalism, it is what is the role of journalism is to spread information about every relevant happening in the world. This field is considered as a mirror of the society. Like it is a fourth pillar of our democracy. Newspapers, radio, television, and more recently the new media, that is the internet, has completely revolutionized the way news used to broadcast. That means journalists have a very significant role to play in this practice. So आजकल मतलब आज के जो सिनेरियो है उसमें जर्नलिज्म फील्ड ये बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्लूमिंग है. आप यहाँ पे मतलब बेसिकली हर एक जर्नलिस्ट का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है समाज की तरफ, मतलब दे एक्ट एज अ मीडिएटर इन बिटवीन गवर्नमेंट एंड पब्लिक. सो पब्लिक के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, उनके जो कुछ समस्याएं हैं, उनको आपको अगर गवर्नमेंट तक पहुंचाना है, सरकार तक पहुंचाना है, तो जर्नलिस्ट इज द की पर्सन. He is the only, I mean, the mediator in between government and public. So today, journalism as a career stands not only for the, I mean, it is a prestigious profession, but also for a challenging career option also. Journalists play a key role in the growth of any nation, I will say. So the core purpose of journalism is to inform, to educate, and to enlighten the masses on various issues revolving them. Basically, what we do as a journalist, we educate people, we inform people, we enlighten them, because I mean the society has lots of problems, and we have to address those problems. We have to go in the society, we have to search for their issues, what they are facing, and then we have to print it in our newspapers, or we have to broad them in our news channels, so that the government can take action and resolve those issues. So that is the basic I mean requirement of the journalism field. As the new world has time and verified, I mean, I will say the pen and the camera is mightier than a sword. Numerous opportunities for journalists have been generated all around the globe. Okay. today, the straightforward reporting of events is no more adequate. I mean, just previously what happened कि आप जहाँ से न्यूज लाते थे आप वहां से कंस्ट्रक्ट करके बस न्यूज़पेपर में दे दिए, तो ये रिपोर्टिंग का एक ट्रेडिशनल वे था कि रिपोर्टर्स अलग अलग जगहों से न्यूज देंगे, फिर वो एक डेस्क पे एडिटर है वो उसको कंपाइल करके वो न्यूज पेपर्स में छाप देंगे. बट nowadays it is becoming more and more specialization and more professionalism is required in this journalistic practices. So if you want to be a journalist, specializes in a diversified areas such as politics, finance, economics, you should choose your the area of expertise, and then you have to work on your field. Then let us see what are the eligibility criteria and skills required for this journalism field. Basically, a bachelor degree of journalism can be done after 10+2 certificate. That means after 12 you can pursue for a bachelor's degree, and for postgraduate degree or diploma courses, a graduate degree of any field is required. Then you can take admission for postgraduate degrees. And I will give you an example of GICD only. Like here in GICD, we offer postgraduate diploma courses, that is PGDMM, in Hindi, Marathi, as well as in English. So I can tell you with a pride that this PGDMM course is running since last 25 years, and previously it was coordinated by senior journalist and writer Mrs. Neela Upadhyay ma'am, and from this year onwards I am the course coordinator for this course. So in our course, sessions are conducted by experts and well-known senior faculties working in this field. I will say few names like Neela Upadhyay ma'am, Nitin Kekar sir is there, then Narayan Haradikar sir is there, Jayashree Desai ma'am, Asha Matale ma'am, Vibhav Vazir sir is there, and many more experts are there. So I will say proudly that many of our former students are placed in well-known media houses. Like Amit Bhandari, he is presently working as a senior vice president of Planet Marathi OTT platform. And another name I will tell you that you must be knowing, Mrs. Nikhila Mhatre of TV9, then Reshma Salunke of ABP Maza, Ms. Rashmi Sawant of Z24 Taas, Mr. Neeraj Pandit from Maharashtra Times, and so on. There are so many students, those are well placed and working successfully. So one must keep in mind the fact that no course or training can claim to make somebody qualified journalist, because we give as a course as a course content, we can only educate a person in a technical aspects, okay, but as a for this profession you must have nose for a news. In addition, it is an ability to write or produce news stories in a correct, I will say concise and appealing style. Okay, आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, और आप रहते हैं, आप आज आप अगर अपने सराउंडिंग्स में अगर ध्यान देंगे तो आपको हर एक जगह में आपको एक न्यूज दिखाई देगी. हर एक जगह पे आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको न्यूज दिख सकती है, या आप वहां से न्यूज अपने निकाल सकते हैं, और वो न्यूज आपको you should have the nose for the news. That means आपको उसका एक सेंस होना चाहिए कि ये yes, this is a news and this I can I can put it in a news form and I can address this issue. And basically वो न्यूज आप अगर देना चाहते हैं तो वो भी ऐसे रफ लैंग्वेज में या कुछ ऐसे नहीं दे सकते, या जो भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है वैसे ही आपको नहीं दे सकते. आपको यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इट इन अ वेरी कंसाइज मैनर and in a technical words which are used in media, And especially if I talk about the personal attributes which are required for this field, one should have a very curious mind. Curious mind means that what just now I told you, that आपके पास क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए. मेरे सराउंडिंग में अगर कोई घटना घटती है तो ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग एज अ जैसे आम नागरिक यहाँ से गुजर गए तो हाँ बस उन्हें कुछ मतलब इतना इम्पोर्टेंट लगा नहीं. बट इफ यू हैव अ नोज फॉर अ न्यूज, देन यू विल immediately click that topic, you will click that picture of the incident, and you will go to the, you will post it in your newspapers or news channels. You can give it to them, then you can post it on a social media also. That is also a different aspect I'm going to discuss with you. Then one must have a willpower. Everything is okay, but you must have a willpower to do something. That means in this field it is much more required that you must have a willpower and aptitude for presenting information in a precise, concise and very effective manner. Okay, then any person should also be able to arrange their thoughts and express them clearly in both forms of communication. You should have a written communication skills also, and you should have a oral communication skills also. You must master on these both skills, because if you are good at writing, but if you are not able to speak to the people, then it will become a bit difficult to survive in this field. Many a times when you go for interview or you want to talk to people, so then you will observe that nobody is interested in giving much more information to you. So you should have the quality how to make them talk about that issue and how to make out information from them. So moreover, a journalist has to be very diplomatic, very much confident and structured while interviewing the public and celebrities. So आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा सतर्क रहना जरूरी है पब्लिक से भी बात करते वक्त और सेलिब्रिटीज से भी बात करते वक्त. आपको वहां से कोई भी बंदा है, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक पीपल स्पीक. जो अभी मैंने बोला, आप अगर किसी को बोलेंगे कि आप सर या मैम आपको मुझे एक इंटरव्यू चाहिए, प्लीज गिव मी 5 minutes, प्लीज गिव मी सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस. So they will give you an explanation as how they are busy. हम बहुत व्यस्त है, हम बहुत व्यग्र है, अभी हम आपको टाइम नहीं दे सकते, and they will talk for 10 minutes that they are not having time to talk with you. This is the actually reality. So but you must have the quality to make them speak on the issues and which you want to reveal. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको उनसे बात करते वक्त आपको क्या उनसे निकालना है, उनके अंदर से कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको उनसे हमें लेनी है और उसे हमें पुट अप करना है. ओके, देन जर्नलिस्ट मस्ट हैव स्किल्स ऑफ फिल्टरिंग द रिलेवेंट फैक्ट्स फ्रॉम इररिलेवेंट वन. दैट मीन्स अब क्या हो रहा है कि इस सोशल मीडिया के और इंटरनेट के जो इतना बढ़ गया है, तो आपको इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आती है, आपके ऊपर बम्बार्डिंग होता है इंफॉर्मेशन का. सो इतने सारे इंफॉर्मेशन में से आपको रिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन कौन सी है, कौन सी इररिलेवेंट है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना ये बहुत बड़ा स्किल है. यू हैव टू फिल्टर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन ओनली यू हैव टू गिव इट टू पब्लिक. आप अगर कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन है या फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स है, आप कंटिन्यूअसली लोगों के ऊपर बम्बार्डिंग करते जाओगे तो दे विल नॉट रीड योर न्यूज, दे विल नॉट वॉच योर न्यूज चैनल. यू हैव टू you have to change that information into such type of matter that public will love to hear, public will love to read like that. सो आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अगर मिलती है तो उसमें से आपको कंसोलिडेट करके आपको लोगों को जो इंफॉर्मेशन जरूरी है उनको उनके लाइफ से रिलेटेड जो इश्यूज है उनमें उनको कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन देना जरूरी है वो आपको समझना चाहिए और वो आपको फिल्टर करके उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन देनी चाहिए. Basically, the capability of accepting criticism is also very much important in this field. Because क्या होता है कि many a times हम देखते हैं कि जब जर्नलिज्म फील्ड के लिए बच्चे आते हैं तो हम उनको क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि why you are coming to this field. So 90% of the girls will say I want to be a news anchor. And or 90% of the boys will say that I want to be a reporter on news channel because they see that वो बूम पकड़ के जो न्यूज देनी है वो जो ग्लैमर है जो फेस को ग्लैमर मिलता है वो उसका अट्रैक्शन होता है. मैक्सिमम ऑफ द पीपल विल they have that attraction and that is why they are coming to this field. बट ओनली ग्लैमर ये इस फील्ड की रियलिटी नहीं है. इस फील्ड में जैसे ग्लैमर है बट एट द सेम टाइम क्रिटिसिज्म भी है. आपको अगर आपने कुछ गलत छापा अगर आपने कुछ गलत लिखा तो आपको क्रिटिसाइज किया जाता है. सो बेसिकली अगर कोई करियर ऑप्शन आप चूज करते हो तो उससे पहले आपको उस फील्ड में आने के लिए क्या क्या स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है क्या क्या क्वालिटीज रिक्वायर्ड है वो आपको अगर पहले से पता हो तो आप वो करियर ऑप्शंस चूज करने में आपको आसानी होती है. बिकॉज मैक्सिमम ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है कि हम लोग करियर ऑप्शन चूज कर लेते हैं फिर बाद में पता चलता है कि after getting into that field after some time we get realized that this is not my cup of tea and then they quit that job or that field. So why does that happen? Because क्योंकि उनको वो पता नहीं रहता कि उसके फील्ड में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है. ये सब इश्यूज जब मैं खुद काम कर रही थी इस फील्ड में सो आई एड्रेस दोज इश्यूज एंड मैंने फिर यही सोचा जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ना कि आपके आजू बाजू में जो हो रहा है उसके लिए आपको सतर्क रहना जरूरी है. तो जैसे ही मुझे वो ऑब्जर्व हुआ कि ऐसे कुछ काफी बच्चे हैं जो करियर ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं और बाद में उनको वो क्विट करना पड़ रहा है तो फिर मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में जी मराठी दिशा में मेरा एक कॉलम स्टार्ट किया. झी मराठी दिशा में करिअरच्या वाटेतील खाचा खोचा. इट वॉज इन मराठी. सो इन दैट व्हाट आई हैव डन कि उसमें अगर करियर ऑप्शंस कोई भी हो मैंने अलग अलग करियर ऑप्शंस लिए थे और GICAD के अपने भी कोर्सेज जितने चलते हैं प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज उनको भी मैंने हर एक को एड्रेस किया था और हर एक करियर का जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है उसमें आपको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है क्या आपको स्किल्स रिक्वायर है और क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है उस फील्ड की वो सब मैंने उसमें लिखे थे और वो इट वाज वेरी पॉपुलर कॉलम बिकॉज मुझे बहुत सारे उसमें लोगों के रिव्यूज आए थे कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा कॉलम है बिकॉज उसमें उन्हें पता चल जाता है कि हाँ ये अगर हमें ये चीजें हैं ये फेस करनी है वहां पे ये चैलेंजेस है तो देन यू विल चूज वाइजली योर करियर फील्ड. ओके basically journalism is largely divided into three categories. I will say print media, electronic media and web journalism. Okay, so journalism jobs in a print media revolve around the newspapers, journals, magazines, digests and news agencies. Okay, news agencies like PTI, UNI, Hindustan Samachar and so on. And on the other hand, journalism through the electronic medium consists of television, then radio, then nowadays new media, that is internet. And whereas a web journalism includes working on different news web portals of newspapers, news channels, and you must have seen that every newspaper and a news channel हैज टू प्रिपेयर देयर ओन वेब एडिशन, वेब पेजेस। आपने देखा होगा कि ये करंट सिनेरियो में हर एक न्यूज़पेपर, हर एक न्यूज चैनल, चाहे वो कितना भी पॉपुलर क्यों ना हो, वो अपने टीआरपी उनका कितना भी ज्यादा हो या उनके रीडरशिप कितनी भी हो, पर उनको दे हैव टू कम ऑन वेब प्लेटफॉर्म। उन्हें अपना वेब एडिशन निकालना ही पड़ता है, उन्हें आपका वेब पेजेस रेडी करना रहता है और उनको साइड बाय साइड दोनों ऑप्शन